Yep, they come out. So I got a new tripod at least. Up there it is, see? Look at the nose. That's the devil. Look at the nose. Oh, there it goes, look. See, look at it. This is a fallen angel. Whatever name it is, I don't give a shit what its name is. It's gonna burn hell. And they spray. They spray things. It's basically intimidation. Basically, once it gets out of camera sight, it'll just disappear. And it turned its fake plane noise on. Yeah. So, as I was saying, in the chemtrailsardemonic.org website, they postulated an interesting theory, which was that what they're spraying, in addition to the metals and the viruses and the bacteria and the whatever other things, that they're actually also spraying devils, and that the plane is a collection of fallen angels grouped together, or one fallen angel individually that, of course, shapeshifts it into a plane, like you just saw, and that it is operating as a portal to drop actual devils in the line. I don't know if that's true. What I do know is the line is used to mind control people, and the spray is also used to control the weather, and the spray is also used to make things colder than what it would actually be. Okay, to make things colder. So if all of these fake clouds weren't there, it would be warmer than what it is. Okay, here's one. So you see it flies over there, and then they always spray from south to north. I never see them spraying the other direction. Very rarely do I see that. So it flashes when it's about to transform, either when it's about to take on the shape of the plane or when it is losing its shape. So I don't know how long they'll be going on for. Right. And so these are devils. These are not planes. Here's one. It'll probably flash. It's already flashing in the nose and the wing. Oh man, missed it. So that's another one, and you can see the black line next to it that's forming parallel. There's a black line that's forming parallel. So I don't know what that's about. Some kind of weird reflection of some sort. So this is wickedness. Okay, this is what this is. This is wickedness. These are the UFOs that you see, all over the place. At night, they pretend to be quote-unquote satellites. All right? So look at the line, look at the reflection that comes up in the line. So there is a small airport next to me. I couldn't get that one. But there's a reflection to the side of the line. It's a reflection. I don't know if we can see it. So, they're there. And so, these are the things that are your UFOs. Your balls, your light balls. Where is he? There he is. Yep, look, see? I lose focus. But zoom in too much. But it's not even... It's crooked. The wings, look at the left wing. Look at the left wing. Look how bent it is. You saw it? It changed shape. You saw it? You saw it change shape? It moved backward. So anyone that has even like a really old camera like I have from like 2005 that has any type of zoom, like with a good zoom, you can easily just any day of the week, 7 days a week, get a tripod, hook it up, and just zoom in on it, and you will see the wings disappear. You'll see the wings bend backward, bend all different directions. Okay, you'll see the wings of the fake planes change size. Okay, they're devils. Okay, they're fallen angels. Okay, they're gonna burn in hell. They hate Jesus. Okay, look, this is a low one. See, so he's flying lower, and they fly low like that to intimidate you. But the thing is these things are very afraid of God because they know what God's going to do to them. Because they've already seen what God has done to their brothers. Okay, God has put some of their fallen angel brothers in hell already, early. And so, for now, because of the wickedness in the world, because of the devil worship in your environment, these fallen angels can be manifesting in the earth. Okay? Now, if any of you have done your research, you would know that in the Middle Ages, people would say they saw comets flying horizontally in the sky, lighting up in the sky, also dropping chemtrails. And so they've been doing it for like who knows how many hundreds of years. These devils have been in the sky dropping chemtrails, and so it's only in quote-unquote modern times that they can just make themselves look like a plane because no one is going to give a crap. But before that, they couldn't do it like that because back in those days, they didn't have planes invented at that point. So this is a devil. Look at the tip, the nose. And so they'll fly really low to intimidate you, to make you feel scared, and to let you know that they're watching you even as you watch them. But it's always good to remind yourself and them that God's watching them, and they're all gonna burn in hell painfully, and then be thrown into like a fire, and it's gonna be even worse than hell. And that's what's going to happen to every single one of the fake planes, because they are devils. Every single devil, evil spirit, satanic agent, power, throne, dominion, and principality is going to burn in hell. And some of them already burn in hell early. They've reached the judgment early because they did some things out of order, because they can't just go and do evil just like that. They have to be very specific in the type of evil that they're gonna do. And so they knew what happened to their brothers in Enoch's time. They knew what happened. Basically what happened was they thought that they can just be in the earth as walking around as like a little god in human shape, as having like a kingdom in the earth. And God said no to that, and you're going to burn in hell early for 70 generations. And so they're still burning. It hasn't been 70 generations yet. You'll know it's been 70 generations when they finally get their one world government going for however many years that's going to last, and then the end of the world. And so nobody knows when that's going to be yet. And so in the meantime, all you got to do is just believe in God. Just believe in him. Look at the tendrils. Look at the tendrils. I'm gonna zoom in on them. Okay, see? They all look like that. Tendrils. Yep, they come out. So I got a new tripod at least. Up there it is, see? Look at the nose. That's the devil. Look at the nose. Oh, there it goes, look. See, look at it. This is that what they're spraying in addition to you know, the metals and the viruses and the bacteria and the whatever other things, that they're actually also spraying devils, and that the plane is a collection of, basically once it gets out of camera sight it'll just disappear. And it turned its fake plane noise on. The fallen angel, whatever name it is, I don't give a shit what its name is. It's gonna burn in hell. And they spray things. It's basically intimidation. Yeah. So, as I was saying, in the chemtrailsardemonic.org website, they postulated an interesting theory, which was that the